In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resize text boxes in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever needed to give your text a little more breathing room or tighten up a layout without changing the actual font size, this is exactly what you are looking for. We're focusing purely on resizing the box that contains the text, which controls how the text wraps and fits on the page. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you are using the Pro DC version because that's where the full editing tools live. Once your file is open, move into editing mode. You can do this by clicking Edit PDF in the right-hand pane. If you don't see it there, open the Tools view at the top and select Edit PDF from the list. Either path takes you to the same place and unlocks the controls we need. Now click on the text box you want to resize. When it's selected, you'll see a visible outline around the box, along with blue circular handles on the edges and corners. That's your cue that Acrobat recognizes it as an editable text container. If you click and the outline doesn't appear, try clicking directly on the border rather than the text itself, and make sure you really are in Edit PDF mode. To adjust the size, drag those blue circular handles. Pull a side handle to change the width, or use a top or bottom handle to change the height. Corner handles let you change both at once. As you drag, you'll see the text reflow and wrap within the box so you can judge spacing in real time. If the text starts to get cut off, simply expand the box a bit more. If you need precise control, zoom in so you can align the box neatly with margins or surrounding elements. Take your time here. Small adjustments often make a big difference in readability and layout. If the page contains multiple text boxes, repeat the same click and drag approach for each one you want to fine-tune. Keep a consistent look by aligning box edges visually with nearby content. The goal is a clean, balanced page where text is easy to read and nothing feels cramped. When you are happy with the changes, save the file. Use Save to update the current document or choose Save as if you want to keep a copy of the original for reference. That way, you always have a fallback. And that's it. Thanks for watching.